Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is Jovenal Narcisse. And for today's video, I'm going to unbox an item that I ordered from the Gustin Denim Company. The Gustin Denim Company is located in San Francisco, California, and I ordered this item last March, on the second week of March, with my desire to have my first black denim from this company. As you know, Gustin company has to wait a number of orders before they're going to make the said item for you. And it took me almost 3 months before this item reached my place here in the Philippines, but it's okay. I was able to receive it with this package. It was sent through my forwarding address in Los Angeles through the Johnny Air Cargo class. And once the Johnny Air Cargo received it, it took me 7 to 8 days before it reached here in Manila, in the Philippines. So we're going to unbox this. This one took me 3 months before I received this. So we're going to unbox this item. This is the Gustin number 77 cone black. It says black in color, but the way I see it, it's more on dark indigo. But of course, this is the price of this item is $91, but to include the tax, because my address is in California, they added 9.5% sales tax plus the shipping cost. So the total amount that I paid in this item is $111. And it is very cheap. The item has a weight of 13.5 ounces. And the size is 32 slim. To give you a better perspective on the size of slim cut in size 32, I'm going to measure in front of you the basic measurements, which is the waist. The waist is 16 inches. The front is 10 1/4. The front rise, I mean. The back rise is 14 3/4. The back rise is 14 3/4. The front rise is, so it is considered as a mid-rise cut. It's 10 and it's 10.5. And the thigh, upper thigh measurement is 11 1/4. And then the knee is 9. And the inseam, I have folded it already. The inseam is 7. So it has a salvage on one of the belt straps. Of course, the leather patch is very simple. It's just a leather patch with the words Gustin, and there's not much arc weight. It's just a thread that is on the lower 1/4 of the back pocket. And of course, you have 5 pockets to include the coin or watch pocket here on the right side. And the pocket cloth is very decent. And this is size 32. Actually, I bought this item as my rotation or bridge pair in preparation in between the bridge pair, in between the year 3 Indigo Invitational up to the year 4 Indigo Invitational. And it's only now that I unbox it, and this will be another black denim on my collection. You have 4 simple buttons, and then the rivets are very simple, it's colored dark or black. The rivets are colored black. I hope they are very sturdy. And then the back pocket, they have the back pocket. I don't see any, it's just a simple stitching, simple bar tack on the back pockets. And of course, Selvedge edge. A chain stitch of red. The stitching is brown. Very simple, of course, and it is very cheap. I considered Gustin denims as an entry level for those who would like to experience Selvedge denim because of the fabric. Of course, they offer also 20 ounces as their heaviest denim fabric, but this one is 13.5 ounces per square yard.